Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed a bank statement but couldn't figure out how to request it? It's a common occurrence, especially for those who are new to banking or simply haven't had to do it in a while. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of requesting a bank statement from Commbank. Commbank, or Commonwealth Bank, is one of Australia's largest banks, serving millions of customers across the country. Whether you're applying for a loan, filing taxes, or simply need a record of your financial transactions, having a bank statement is essential. Method 1. Online banking. Logging in. Start by logging into your Commbank online banking account. You can do this by visiting the Commbank website and entering your login credentials. Navigating to Statements. Once you're logged in, look for a section labeled Statements or something similar. This is usually located in the main menu or under a My Accounts tab. Selecting a statement, click on the Statements option and select the account for which you want to request a statement. You should see a list of available statements, including the date range for each. Downloading or viewing. Choose the statement you need and select either download or view. If you choose to download, you will typically have the option to save it as a PDF or CSV file. Method 2. Commbank app. Accessing the app. If you prefer to use the Commbank app, open it on your smartphone or tablet. Finding the Statements section, look for a section labeled Statements or something similar. It's usually located in the main menu or under a My Accounts tab. Requesting a statement, select the account for which you want a statement and follow the on-screen instructions to request it. You may have the option to download or view the statement directly within the app. Method 3. Phone banking. Calling Commbank. If you're unable to access online banking or the app, you can request a bank statement by calling Commbank's customer service number. Providing details. When you call, be prepared to provide your account details, including your account number and the date range for the statement you need. Receiving the statement. The customer service representative will assist you in requesting the statement and may offer options for receiving it, such as having it mailed to you or emailed as a PDF. Additional tips. Electronic delivery. If possible, opt for electronic delivery of your bank statement, as this is often faster and more convenient. Security. Always be mindful of security when requesting your bank statement online. Make sure you're using a secure network and avoid sharing your personal information with anyone you don't know. Multiple statements. If you need multiple statements, you may be able to request them all at once or request a consolidated statement covering a longer period. Fees. Some banks may charge a fee for requesting bank statements, especially if you need a large number of statements or if you request them frequently. Requesting a bank statement from Commbank is a straightforward process that can be completed online, through the app, or by phone. By following the steps outlined in this video, you should be able to easily obtain the statement you need. Do you have any questions about requesting a bank statement from Commbank? Feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to assist you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.